In this video, we're going to walk through how to deploy the OpenVPN Connect app and its related configuration files using an MDM solution like Jamf Pro on iOS devices. Let's start by opening up our Jamf Pro dashboard. Now that we're in, head over to Devices and then Mobile Device Apps. In the top left corner, click to create a new deployment policy. Here, Jamf asks us whether the app will be pulled from the App Store or if it's an in-house app. We're going to go with the App Store option. Let's search for OpenVPN Connect. And there it is, right at the top. Go ahead and click Add to include it in our policy. Once that's done, you'll notice that Jamf automatically fills in several details for us. It grabs the app name, version, and package ID straight from the App Store. The only thing we need to update here is the category. I'll set this as a VPN app. Now for the distribution method. This will vary depending on how your devices are enrolled in your MDM setup. In our case, we're using user-initiated enrollment. So I'm selecting Install Automatically or prompt the user to install. With this option, the user will get a notification on their iOS device asking to install the app. Next, move to the Scope tab. This is where we define which devices and users this policy will apply to. For this demo, I'm selecting all devices and all users in our test group. We can skip the Manage Distribution tab and jump straight into app configuration. Here's where things get a little more technical. This section allows us to provide an XML configuration that defines how the OpenVPN Connect app should behave right after it's installed. To help with this, let's do a quick Google search. OpenVPN Connect Global Config iOS. The first result should give you a full breakdown of the global configuration options. If you scroll to the bottom of that page, you'll find an example of the XML structure we need. Copy that example and paste it into your text editor. I'm using Atom here. Let's take a quick look at what's in this config. The first key is modified when. This is important. This is how the Connect app knows when the last config was updated. You want to update this string anytime you make new changes, so the Connect app can understand when a new set of configurations have been pushed. For today, I'm setting this to June 5th, 2029. Next up is the profile name and path. You'll need to replace the placeholder with the actual HTTPS URL, where your OpenVPN profile is hosted. I've already swapped that in for this demo. After that, we have proxy settings. In this example, we're defining a single proxy, including host, port, and any other details you might need. You can even add credentials if required, but we won't be using any for now. Lastly, we have a block of settings for the OpenVPN Connect app itself. For this video, we're leaving them as is. You'll notice these applied when we launch the app later. Once you've customized your XML file, go ahead and paste it into the app configuration section in Jamf. If there's a formatting error, Jamf will flag it right away. But in our case, everything looks good. Now let's jump back to mobile device apps. You should see the OpenVPN Connect app listed with the version number. Ours is 3.7.1. With the deployment policy ready, it's time to enroll an iOS device. I'll share my iPhone screen so we can walk through that process. First, open Safari and go to the enrollment URL provided by your admin. Sign in and tap Enroll. After that, hit Continue to download the configuration profile. Next, we'll go to Settings, then General, then VPN and Device Management. Tap on the profile you just downloaded and install it. Tap Install again, and one more time when prompted. Then hit Trust and Done. Once that's complete, return to the home screen and wait for a notification from Jamf Pro. This will prompt us to install the OpenVPN Connect app. Tap Install and let it finish up. After installation, launch the OpenVPN app. You'll be asked to allow network access and receive notifications. Go ahead and approve both. Then accept the license agreement. Right away, you'll see that the configuration we pushed has been applied. Tap OK and you should see the test profile already imported. Under the proxy section, you'll see the proxy settings we defined. And in the app settings, you'll notice that our custom values have been applied. And that's it. We've successfully deployed the OpenVPN Connect app and applied its configuration using Jamf Pro. For more help or in-depth tutorials, check out our documentation on the website under the resources section.